Want to craft the perfect company profile for your small business that guarantees funding from investors? Addressing this pain, SlideTeam brings you the solution in the form of a well-crafted small business company profile template. Want to present your business professionally? Do it with our Small Business Company Profile (PPT) deck. Also, to get up to 15% off, follow the link below. This concise masterpiece distills your small business's vision, achievements, and potential into a captivating snapshot. This premium PPT slide illustrates your core values, rich history, and monumental milestones. Engage stakeholders with the showcasing of your diverse product range and top-notch support services. This PPT slide spells out your small business's versatility, reliability, and commitment, winning hearts and trust with ease. Ready to impress the investors? Download SlideTeam's Small Business Company Profile PPT now, and let success be your constant companion. Reveal the blueprint for growth with this content-ready business model PPT preset. It explains value propositions, cost structure, and revenue streams, empowering stakeholders to grasp your profitable vision. This strategic gem outlines your roadmap to success, delivering a potent blend of tactics and insights. Use it to position your small business as a dominant force in the market. Impress stakeholders with solid revenue figures, instilling trust and highlighting your small business as a lucrative investment opportunity. Elaborate on why you have a competitive edge over rivals with this pre-designed PPT layout. Analyze key metrics, benchmark performance, and demonstrate your small business's prowess. In closing, the stage is set for your small business to shine. With our Small Business Company Profile template, you're armed with a compelling narrative, actionable strategies, and the power to win.